In the heart of a vast, moonlit forest, where whispers of mystery echoed through the trees, dwelt a creature of the night, the enigmatic bat. He was a solitary figure, a dark silhouette against the silvered leaves, his wings like shadows dancing in the moonbeams. His life was simple, yet his existence was a testament to the hidden depths of nature. Each night, he would take flight, soaring through the air with the grace of a dancer and the freedom of a dream. But one day, a disruption emerged, a conflict that would shake the very foundations of his solitude. A stranger, a bird of the day, had encroached upon his territory. The bird, bold and brash, challenged Bat's dominance, disrupting the rhythm of the forest. Bat, initially taken aback, found himself at a crossroads, torn between his peace and his pride. He pondered, under the watchful eyes of the stars, contemplating the choices before him. He could fight, asserting his dominance and risking a battle that could shatter the tranquility of the forest. Or, he could retreat, surrendering his territory and preserving the peace. In the quiet of the night, Bat made his choice. He chose not to fight, not to assert his dominance, but to let go, to let the bird of the day share his forest. He understood that victory was not always about dominance, but about harmony, about the echoes of peace that could resonate through the night. And so, Bat continued his solitary flights, his wings still dancing in the moonbeams, his heart still beating with the rhythm of the forest. But now, a new harmony filled the air, a melody of peace and understanding, a testament to the wisdom of the enigmatic bat. In the end, the story of the bat serves as a reminder that sometimes, the greatest victories are not won through conflict, but through understanding, through harmony, and through the echoes of peace that resonate in the heart of the night.